Hey guys, this is what I got today from Yitahome, a mobile file cabinet, and I'm really excited to unbox it. And let's go take a look and see. So here it's some tools come with it, and also the instruction here, but it looks like really easy to install. Look, this so shiny. I love it's so beautiful. You can put it anywhere in your house. Fits perfect because it's not too big, so it's a perfect size. How deep it is. I love this. Oh my gosh, it's amazing to put all papers here, and I have a bunch of papers. So the best part is it's really safe and not take a lot of space. Fits any space anywhere and match with my house color. Look how easy it is. It's lightweight, and also you have a break here to hold in place. It's awesome. Usually those things like the cabinets, the file cabinets, looks ugly, a color so ugly, but this color here is really beautiful, so shiny and lightweight. It's not too heavy. It's really incredible. I love this.